ladies and gentlemen.
This is the Shockwave jet truck.
Kent Shockley and the Shockwave jet truck. Let's release the brakes. Watch it pop it. Burners in. Stand by for the brake release. Within a few seconds, he'll be up over 100 miles per hour. Here we go.
120 gallons of raw diesel fuel used in each run.
There's 100, 150.
Here it comes.
Oh!
And there it goes.
Minutes of 350 miles an hour. Florida State Police jugs gun down at the end. Wayne Boggs, what do we have?
327 miles an hour.
327 miles per hour. How about that, ladies and gentlemen? Give it up for Kent Shockley. And they're off. Gaining on her. Kent Shockley speeding ahead. I think it was a draw. Once again, Bill Leff, I think you guys were dead even at the finish line.
That was Bill Leff in the airplane and Kent Shockley in the Shockwave jet truck.
Did you feel the heat when you went by?